morning guys, LBMotors back here in HQ. Today we're working on the Black Edition Corsa. We've got the wheels to do. Basically they've got curb rashing around the diamond cut, so what we're going to do is we're going to angle grind them back and then, well, as back far as we can, re-lacquer them and then chuck them back on the car. We've got a Evap Valve which ours went on, brought up an engine management light. I've got a clip of that. And we are doing the fan resistor. Literally that's 30 seconds that takes, but we'll record it just because it's easy. So that's it as far as I'm aware. So we'll start recording the process of us angle grinding down the wheels, and we'll go from there. So if you'd like to comment and subscribe, and our Instagram will be just here if you want to give that a follow. Thank you very much guys. Right, we've got an engine management light up. I'm just going to scan it. Read codes. System 2 lean, bank 1. Okay, so we've got current, pending and permanent, so it is a permanent code. Right, this is the old Evap valve. You can do a little test on it to see if they're blown. All you do is blow through it. So that one is buggered. The new one is here, come complete with the whole pipe with it as well. So I'm just going to blow through this end. So I'm going to put this on now. I'm just literally going to nip out and record the process of that. And yeah, we get onto the wheels. If you can see them, they're literally just down there, ready to go, and I'll get that time lapsed as well. So let's go and install this. Right, let's get this going. So basically that pushes into there. I've dropped it. That pushes into there. That goes in there. Green one pushes in. As if you can hear me anyway. So that just pushes into there, like so. That's on. That's on. Got a little green tab. Okay, slid on nicely. Yeah, so you push that green tab in, connector back in, follow it all the way through. It literally just plugs in there. And that's that. I mean, I'm still interested to find out what this is. Doesn't look great, but it is what it is. So taking out the heater resistor was quite difficult, to be honest. There's a 5.5mm screw. You take that out, slide it to the left, and then to install it is the exact reverse. But there's 2 clips on it. You have to push them in, then slide it to the left. And yeah, that's literally it. It is difficult because you can't see one of the clips, but other than that, it is pretty straightforward. Right, so this is the old one. You can see it's quite rusty. I've not checked it yet, so here we go. 1. I don't know if you can hear it, but we've got fans. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I had to lay upside down underneath, and basically what you have to do is push this tab and slide it to the left to get it out, because you've got these, oh, where are they? Them lugs there that slide in. Heavies now. Right, so we've ground all the heavy curb rashing, as you can see. What we're going to do now is hit it with an 80 grit wagon wheel. Yes, and then we've got to tape the edges up. Got to tape the edges up first, haven't we, Lee? And then we're going to go over it with the wagon wheel. And hopefully we'll whack it down with wet and dry. Is that the process? Yep. Yeah, a bit of wet and dry.
I've never done this before, but Barney's done it countless amount of times, and it come up quite nice. So we're just going to carry on. Barney's just going to whack it down now. Take it up.
Right, so when it comes to sanding these down or flattening them, is literally little and often. Don't go too much because you can't actually get it back. So little, assess it, and then carry on through.
Right, you won't be able to hear me much, but he's just grinding it down. Right, I've just whacked all of that with the 80 grit. You can see it's got quite a nice shine on it. Still need to try and get around the edge here, which I'll try and do now. But they're coming up all right, to be fair. Like I said, once you get the wet and dry in there and smooth through the grits, it'll come up nice and shiny. So that's that one. This is the worst one. We've got this, which is going to be quite difficult to try and take out. This on here, this on here, this on here. Yeah, they're battered, these ones. Someone's definitely had a good go on these. But yeah, other than that, it's not looking too bad. Like I said, this is the side we need the tyre on. But yeah, I'm going to carry on this one and try and whack the inside of these quick. And we'll see how it goes. Right, I'm just taping up the edges now. Running round, and then I'm going to whack it with a 120, probably a 250, or maybe not a 250, 120, 200, then 300, and then I'll jump up, and then hopefully we can get all this nice. But it's all wheeled up, managed to get all the edge around now, that's all done. So I'm just going to time lapse me just putting the tape on, just so you don't get too... Right, just running around with the tape now to tape up the black part of the wheel. Didn't actually go all in on the tape, just because there is some scratches, you know, light scratches on the gloss black part of the wheel, which we wanted to get out with the polisher. So yeah, just went round and taped up the majority of the wheel, so any bits that got scratched, we were okay to just polish them out. So I'm just going over it with a flat sanding pad. The wheels are now fully sanded. So what we done was a 80 grit flappy disc. Got all the scuffs out of that, and then we went 80. We then went 120. Then we went 400, 500 dry, and then we went 600 wet, 800 wet, 1000 wet, and 1200 wet as well. So that's all done and dusted. Barney Rubble is just lacquering that one over there. Once it's all dry, we're sort of zooming on the video, but I'm just going to clean my wheel up and we'll go from there. Right, that's that wheel lacquered and all polished, as you can see, looking nice and fresh. And that's the next one as well. So I haven't got a wide lens on this camera, but yeah, it looks really good. Are you gonna do it or not?
I've just done it.
That's the boss. Yeah, so we're all done.
We got him.
There's the wheels. Let me do a zooming. Lift them up, Rubble. Yeah.
Harder, Daddy.
Yeah. So that's the wheels all done. That's it. Smash the place up. Yeah, so that's right, so we're all done today. What we've done so far, or what we've done today, is the Evap valve. We have done the foo-foo valve. We've done the Evap valve. We have done the heater resistor, and we've just done 2 front wheels. They do. You've won something. They do look really nice. I've got a couple of pictures that I'll put in the video. Well, you know, I'll probably cut in here or put them here. So that's all done. We've got, what have we got left? I mean, the back ones need doing.
I'm unsure whether to do them or not.
They don't look too so, do they?
We just need to validate it now, because it still smells like a Chinese restaurant. You twat. You're such a dick.
Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one. If you want to watch a previous video, it's Instagram. Thanks.